gonna be drawing my and this will
hello David, so Christmas has come early.
she's kind of meant to be a microwave. Microwave. Name is microwave. Microwave head.
Leanne wouldn't be allowed No, it's personal choice. Of course it is. No, I get it.
And they've also been back in relegation as well. Now, the US billionaire Dan Friedkin.
If these get older and not want to change their mind.
Control from the previous majority shareholder.
If these got older and changed their mind, I'd never say, oh no, you can't do that. If she turned around to me in a few years and said, Mum, I don't want to fucking do that, then I'd be like, right.
Next year, now in a statement, Dan Friedkin today said, "We are honoured to become the custodians of this great institution. We fully understand the vital role Everton plays in local culture, history and the lives of Evertonians here and around the world. We are deeply committed to honouring this legacy." Well, Mark Watts is the new executive chairman. Basically, he's going to oversee the running of the club. In an open letter to fans, he says, "We understand
do that.
the club has faced significant challenges
microwaving.
on and off the pitch for several years.
It's
That's why
tough
our immediate priority is
That's why she gets
stabilising the club and
nicknamed
improving results on
Tough-
the pitch. So that is
Tough
what the new
Microwave.
owners have had to
because
say.
she
What
is
the
the
fans think
toughest
will be
microwave head you would ever see.
I woke up this morning.
Go can punch you
Almost felt it.
from a
Christmas Day, get the turkey in the oven. and
far,
let's
far
And
away.
let's contemplate a bigger and brighter future ahead. There'd be many fans.
Oh great, I
and
just
many
painted her
people
microwave
that we
pink.
have with you owners
She's
and
not meant to
coming
be
and a new
have a
stadium
pink
to move
microwave.
Why? It's about time, innit? Proper ownership. Time to get the club back on track, innit?
If you don't know,
Gave us all this hope, like with all the money and all the prestige, and you know what I mean? This is what was going to bring all the top players to the club, like. And that didn't really happen, did it? So that case of wait and see how these guys are going to do that as well, you know? Getting too carried away. No, I'm never going to get too carried away because it's happened before.
I'm deciding to make her a
So,
scholar.
David, what do we know about the new owners?
Well, it's the second football club to be owned by the Friedkin Group. They also own the Italian side, AS Rome, who reached the final of the Europa League. Actually won the Europa League last year under Jose Mourinho. Now, they're based in Texas. They've got a variety of businesses, from car dealerships to luxury resorts and also film production. Now, Dan Friedkin has previously said he is the man who really heads the group, and his wealth has been estimated from
We have to turn to
25
this.
and £7 million. And a fun fact about the 59-year-old, like one of those, he likes to fly old Spitfire planes.
Get down!
He appeared and flew one in the Hollywood film Dunkirk.
Oh, well, he doesn't like to fly that yeah, so it's a new beginnings in many ways for Everton. Too carried away. But what about on the pitch? I mean, what does this mean for Sean Dyche? What does this mean for his squad?
Yeah, well, Taken doesn't really lie at the moment, and Everton are 16th in that at the moment. They're still only 3 points above the relegation places, so still plenty of work to do. So could this mean now that we're going to see some new faces coming in January? Well, you know, Everton's finances are still tight despite the takeover. They don't want to break any more of the Premier League's financial rules, but Dyche will hope that at least there is more of a chance now of bringing in some new faces now than there was before. And the owners are fully committed to the future. They admit the road ahead is going to be long, it's going to be challenging, but they say they want to live up to Everton's motto of nothing but the best is good. There we go. Well, staying with football ownership, and Sir Jim Ratcliffe has increased his minority stake in Manchester United from 27% to just over 29%. United are in action at Tottenham tonight, looking to join Liverpool in the semi-finals of the EFL Cup. The stop was certainly a one-match ban, so watch from the stands as his side won 2-1 at Southampton. Don Ringis and Harvey Elliott scored their goals. Well, next is some more Christmas cheer being delivered by another of our football clubs this festive season. Burnley's manager Scott Parker and his squad have been out and about in the town, as well as visits to the local hospitals. Players also dropped in on an over-50s walking session
Sorry guys.
run by the club's charity Burnley in the community to hand out some awards and join in a Christmas quiz.
Yeah, I thought we done well. We finished first, but shared first. Was a big team effort. I knew a few, but most of the answers came from the group. You see everyone here like in Burnley talks, and in the end, our football club is what brings all these people together.
But now you're not.
I do it because I got bullied into by my daughter and my wife to
keep fit, and it's also good because you meet people that you'd never meet otherwise.
As a girl in the 70s, growing up in the 60s and 70s, you were told you can't play football. You know, so to get the opportunity to play football in your 60s, late 50s and 60s is excellent. To meet the players today and give them the time to come down is really good of them.
Yeah, great work by Burnley. That's always what time.
Yeah, not saying who doesn't love a Christmas quiz.
Now, you may remember last week we featured the story of 9-year-old Joshua Duckworth, who found out he would be playing an important role in next year's Grand National.
Well, Joshua is a pupil at St Vincent's in Liverpool, a specialist school for youngsters with sensory impairment and other needs as well.
Now, the pupils are putting on a Christmas panto with the help of their friends, including a certain comedian, come dancing champion.
Or we sent Elaine Wilcox behind the scenes to find out more.
There's no chance of that at St Vincent's. It's non-stop with their head boy already signed to Everton. And when you put on the Everton shirt, what's underneath?
Oh, we have to wear an undershirt over the badge doesn't touch my skin.
Do you think the England squad could learn about teamwork and communication?
A bit like, yeah.
They'll learn about our communication and how we dribble and our technique.
The first thing you notice is how happy the children are, how welcoming they are, how welcoming they are to each other and visitors, and it's a real special place. Sometimes it's just hard to describe.
Years 1916, Flanders Fields.
Their Christmas shows are legendary, helping one of their former pupils win Strictly.
And we can't believe that we have won the glitter ball at the St Vincent's Christmas play.
Watching Strictly final, what did you find?
So as a learning support assistant, I actually watched it blind. I had the description on, and I think that our broadcasters could actually do a better job.
Definitely recognise a lot.
So all the big broadcasters,
Oh, she looks
people from Hollywood, are they invited?
So what we're just gonna do is take everything that looks in a bad state.
Muscles, we just can't see, that's all. And that proved that when people can equal certain people, and then why they put their minds in.
And have you thought about what kind of career you want? Like,
I want to be an MP.
And would you stop at being an MP, or would you aim a bit higher?
I would want to become Prime Minister so I could fix this country because it badly does need fixing.
Music, sport and politics, St Vincent's really is a special place. Elaine Wilcox, ITV News, Liverpool.
I'd vote for him for Prime Minister, wouldn't you?
I would vote for him too.
Let's get the weather now, Louise.
Mom, wet wipes, toilet or bin?
Bin. Why?
United Utilities sponsors ITV Granada weather.
Hello there, good evening. We had a few blustery showers through today. It was quite cool, noticeably cooler than recent days, with the brisk northwesterly wind taking the edge off the temperature. We have 2 yellow weather warnings for Saturday and Sunday. We can expect winds gusting at 50 to 60 miles per hour widely, with the potential for 70 miles per hour around the coast and over the tops of the Pennines. This could lead to some travel disruption over the weekend, so do keep an eye on the forecast and stay up to date. Taking a look at the pressure signals, we have a low pressure system pushing through, bringing further outbreaks of rain over the next 24 hours or so. We have a brief ridge settling things for a time, but the wind will remain fairly brisk and blustery coming from northwesterly direction. Thicker clouds pushing through the early hours. Temperatures will recover, lows of 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. So a cool, cloudy start tomorrow. Brisk winds continuing. We have a number of scattered showers feeding through early on, followed very closely behind by a band of rain. Some heavy bursts in the mix. This should clear through by tomorrow evening, but it will remain fairly blustery. Temperatures tomorrow slightly milder than today. Highs of 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. Looking ahead then towards the weekend, we have a yellow weather warning for wind through Saturday and Sunday. Again, winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour widely, 70 miles per hour around the coast. Becoming slightly milder but cloudier through into the start of next week. Things start to settle down as we head towards Christmas Day. Temperatures back up above average for what we would expect this time of year. That's very latest. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye for now.
Cleaned up well. United Utilities sponsors ITV Renata Weather.
Now, to whether we've got a little Christmas miracle, if you will.
Yes, the tale of a cat called Rhubarb who disappeared from her home in Liverpool 16 months ago. And despite posts on social media, her owner thought she'd gone forever.
Well, that was until staff at West Lancashire College visited the vets with a cat who had been a regular visitor over the last few months, but were worried about her in the cold weather.
Oh, look at her. It turns out she was chipped, and Rhubarb and her